Tick Wave, E-mini S&P is one of our new strategies. It made a new equity peak today. Had a nice short trade yesterday. Nice long trade today. Plus 1,000 on the day. Yesterday it was up plus 2150. So nice surge in the equity curve for Tick Wave. So let's go over the trades on the day for January the 28th. Tick Wave in Q. It's gone sideways lately, but profitable today. Lost yesterday. VSDES plus 2,000 on the day. Even though it gave back quite a bit, it was up at one point about 4,500. It's the type of strategy that it is. It lets those profits run to the very end of the day, no matter what. If you can find a better way on some of these, let me know. VIX OC lost yesterday, stopped out minus 1,025. Market came down. It came down overnight, stopped out night trader, rallied during the day. Our premise for markets rallying in the night is not happening much lately. We've seen more in the past. In most bull markets, we see after hours and European session rallies. Now it's selling off and then rallying after it sells off in the European hours. So a little bit distorted and different price action could be indicative of the break in the uptrend, really, if the structure changes. So we'll see if it's a short-term deviation or not. Beta B, EVP1 grabbed $1,800 at the end of the day. First trade was a loser. Yesterday it captured a couple of short trades. This is how difficult it is to short this market. EVP1 doing a great job of getting in on the short side. Got out on a trailing stop, rolled over, got in, got out on a trailing stop. It made two winners yesterday plus 1,000 yesterday. Today it took a long trade, stopped out really fast. A lot of volatility in this market. The wiggle in this market almost seems panicky, and it's strange because we're up here near all-time highs. NASDAQ made all-time highs over here on earnings news in the after hours especially. This is the day session, and then it's acting panicky just 2 days later if it's not at all-time highs. Plus 800 on the day since it captured this $1,800 trade at the end of the day. Nice trade for capturing V reversals. EVP1 can do that. It can also take trades like this. Those are some pretty extreme. That's some pretty extreme price action right there. But this is what it did. It's what it's done since the beginning of the year. It's up 8,060 on 22 trades. Let's go back and look at some of the V reversal trades it's taken. Here's one. And here's one. Here's another nice short. I like these trades right here. So this strategy can take some pretty big trades, and that's why I like it. VSD minus 330 on the day. The last trade on the day was profitable. See, overnight it dipped on us, gave a lot back, was up really well. Intraday on this, 4,100 inclusive of this stop loss. So this trade it was in. This is a massive range in the NASDAQ. Came back all the way down here, 12,906, and ran up nearly 500 points, and then rolled over 250 points. So a lot of extreme volatility in the market. But minus 330 on VSD and Q. It just had an equity peak though yesterday. Let's look at it. So it just recently had an equity peak, and it's up 12,000 on the month. Some of our top strategies are EVP1 and VSD and Q. Gap continuation. Minus 440 on the day. Got out at the exit time. These markets are just rolling over and going back and forth, and not much trend continuation lately. And so gap continuation is down. Last week we had some nice trades though. So let's go back to last week's trades. Those are some of the nice continuation moves. But we're getting a lot of mean reversion right now. So we'll see if we get a trend soon. Profit targets sometimes help those. We'll continue to monitor that. Let's look at the basic NQ strategies. AT 2020. There were several trades that were just stopped out at the low on the move. So market goes up, we get in, bam, stop out, and then run up. So that was down on the day, minus 725. Tick count trend NQ plus 575. Tick pulse V12 minus 70 on the day. It was up pretty good too, plus 3,900. It's a profit-taking type of market. Cobra 3 NQ minus 625. Gap continuation 2019. The tight stop loss was down 1,300. Took a lot of little I mean, this is just a hard market to have a $300 stop loss in. I mean, that's just a blip. 15 points goes very quickly. Minus 1,025 on stock index swing, trying to take the long trade. Once again, here's one that market goes up, get in, slams down, and then moves higher after we were stopped out. So minus 1,025 there. All strategy access. 60-minute breakout plus 975. After hours ES lost 2 in a row. I have an update for this that improves this strategy and gets rid of the limit order rejects. It uses market orders now. More on that later. Cobra 3 ES 15-minute. We traded the profit target version, and the profit target version worked out on this one. So Cobra 3 ES minus 625, minus 525 on AT 2019. Adaptive moving average plus 487. 50. 60-minute breakout, took a profit today on the short side, plus 975, good to see. Night trader struggled, stopped out the lows here. Same as after hours. You get this after hours pattern, stopped out, rallied. Night trader stopped out and rallied. So tough night on the night trading and after hours trading. Let's go over soybeans. No trades on soybeans. Soybeans pulled back a little bit more. At any point, I would expect soybeans to rally. It could come back here and take out these levels first. It could go down to 1250, but you know that's just a longer term picture. We're trading our short term strategies and looking at all the possibilities of price action. Gap fill in reverse minus 525. Euro plus 250. Gold. We had Cobra Gold here. It's had a nice short trade yesterday. Nice long trade today. Plus 575. It's hard to determine where gold is going to go. Pretty big range. 25 points is a big range in gold, but it's greater than that. It comes right back down after it hits its profit target. Silver, no trades. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. And those are the trades on the day. Exhaust and reverse the silver strategy. 2 losers, minus $1,000. Exhaust and reverse E-mini S&P. Has not traded since, with the PTS equals 5. These are the last 2 trades. So PTS equals 5, those are the last 2 trades. And so those are the trades on the day for January the 28th. One more thing is to look at the profit target versions of Cobra 3. The NQ profit target. Here's another one. It seems like we get this a lot today where we get in a trade and the market comes right to our stop and then bounces. It did that in the overnight sessions. It did that at the opening trades. And now it did it on Cobra 3 as well. So challenging, choppy market today. The 60-minute or the Cobra 3 with the profit target hit its profit target, plus 575 on the day for that strategy. And so those are the trades on the day. January 28, 2021. Tomorrow is Friday.